How to fix a link to previous header issues in Word. So if you're trying to create different headers across your Word document, but clicking link to previous is grayed out, or editing a header on one page keeps changing every single page before it, it almost always comes down to how section breaks are set up. And in this one, I'm showing you step by step how to fix these link to previous header issues. So first, if your link to previous button is completely grayed out, it's because Word treats your entire file as one continuous section. So place your cursor at the very end of the first page, right here, right before where you want your new header to start. Go up to the top menu, go to Layout, click Breaks, which is right here, and under the heading, select Next Page. This splits your document into independent sections, which unlocks the header settings for the new page. And now that you have a section break, you can disconnect the headers so they stop overwriting each other. So scroll to your new section page and double-click inside the top margin area, right over here, to open Header Editing Mode. Look at the top menu ribbon under Header and Footer tab, right here, and in the navigation section, click the Link to Previous button, right here, to turn it off. And you can notice now that the label on the right side of your header, that said same as previous, will now disappear. And you can now type a completely different title, image, or header text on this page without affecting anything above it. And a small pro tip, remember that Word handles headers and footers as two completely separate elements. Unlinking your top header does not automatically unlink your page numbers or footer at the bottom of the page. That is it, guys, for this video. If this was helpful, as always, don't forget to subscribe.